Welcome back to another edition of Tank Top Cooking. Okay, right on. Here's a couple things that we're going to need for what we're doing today. Okay, right on. Get stuff. Grab yourself some hamburger or some pork, about a pound of that. Grab yourself some beef broth. Grab yourself, one large potato or a couple smaller ones, an onion. Okay, some celery. Okay, some mushrooms, couple eggs, some carrots. Hopping over to the spice department here. We're gonna need some savory. Okay, then if you want the French side, there you go. So grab yourself some savory. Okay, savory. Okay, grab some salt. Okay, and you need that. Some pepper. Okay, some all season, but hey man, you know what? Steak spice. Why not? Okay, grab yourself some extra virgin olive oil. Who would think it? But grab some cinnamon. Okay, and then and your garlic. And man, if you want to get all creative and whatnot and do your own pastry, have at her. But today what we're going with is some pie crust, man. Okay, right on. Grab yourself your onion. You can use yellow, white, but you know what? I'm using that kind of that purple color because man, I like purple. Purple's cool, so why not? Give it a try. So just cut them up into nice small pieces, small as possible. Right on, and same deal. You want to grab yourself 3-4 cloves of garlic. Okay, and you know if you're not huge on garlic, well, don't throw in a lot of garlic. Okay, but yeah, you know. Throw in, I'm throwing in 4 cloves of garlic. Okay, right on, and then grab your celery, okay? And you go with 1 or 2. I'm going with 1.5 is what I'm doing here. Don't want to throw in too much because, you know, we got to leave room for some other stuff too. So same deal, get them nice and thinly sliced up. Okay. Get cooking. So grab yourself your skillet here. Throw in a tiny bit of, well, I don't know, a little bit of olive oil. Why not? Okay, and then you're just gonna throw your onions in there. You know, some guys like doing this in order, but you know what, man? I'm just tossing it in. Why not? It's all gonna be consumed anyhow, right? Right on. Good stuff. Well, keep on going here. So grab yourself your mushrooms. Okay, and right on. Stick with the theme. Nice, thinly sliced. Get that all sliced up. Boom. Toss those mushrooms in there. Throw in some carrots. Okay, I'm trying to keep this as traditional as possible, but you know what, man? I like mixing things up here. So mushrooms, carrots, celery. Oh, yeah. Grab yourself a little wooden spatula or wherever you like. I like using a wooden spatula and just kind of stir that up. And we're just going to kind of mix that up for, probably about 3 or 4 minutes or so. Maybe 5. Probably 5. Alright, so get your onions and all your vegetables going like that. Okay, right on. Grab yourself a bowl here. Like I was saying, that's been, probably, 4 minutes. 4 minutes on onions and mushrooms here. Just kind of sauteing them, getting everything together. So yeah, just take those and put them off to the side in the bowl. Okay, grab yourself your hamburger and whatnot. Hamburger and pork, if you want to mix it up, you can do that. Yourself your wooden spoon there and break it up. Nice little chunks. Gonna stick with the theme of what we were doing with the vegetables there. Give it stir up, get it nice and brown. Grab yourself a strainer, okay? Okay, and I'll show you another thing, guys. If you haven't watched before, grab yourself a coffee tin, okay? Because this works dynamite. Coffee tin. Underneath. Over the top. Boom. And then just drain off that grease. Okay, right on. Now that we got all that grease drained off, Get your skillet back heated up to medium. Okay, and then let's get on the spices here. So, first thing first, you're probably gonna want, oh geez, I'd say about a teaspoon of salt. Okay, about the same with some pepper. About a teaspoon of pepper, black pepper. Okay, right on. Sticking with the theme, some savory. About half teaspoon, maybe teaspoon. Give that a toss in. Okay. Now if you had some allspice, that'd be good. But hey man, steak spice, why not? About the same. Let's throw some steak spice in there. About a teaspoon-ish. Is about, not a heaping teaspoon, about, half teaspoon-ish of cinnamon. Why not? Okay, cool. Right on. Good stuff. Okay, just give that a little stir up. And then grab your veggies. Boom. Toss them back in. Okay. Grab yourself a potato here, okay? I was going to go with 2 small ones, but you know what? I'm going to go with just one. And what I'm going to do is just grate it up. So grab yourself a grater. So you want it nice and thin. And grate it up. Keep an eye on your meat there. I don't know. Make sure it's not burning or nothing like that, right? So, might want to just turn it down a little bit here. I'm just going a little bit, kind of halfway in between low and medium. Okay, right on. And then the grated potato. 1 grated potato. Not a huge one here, right? And the reason I would throw in more, but you know what? I'm thinking because I got that mushroom in, it's probably going to be sufficient as is. Okay, well we got that going here. Off your beef broth, okay, and I did warm it up a little bit in the microwave. And 1 cup of beef broth. Toss that over. Okay, and then you're going to let this kind of boil away. Get all the flavors together for about 10 minutes or so. Okay, right on. While we're kind of letting this go here, grab yourself some pie crust, man. Okay, cool. While you got that going on here, oh yeah, grab yourself an egg or 2, a bowl. Grab yourself your fork and oh yeah, beat them up. Oh yeah. Keep that all going. Got it kind of on a little bit above low, right? Oh, 10 minutes like I said. Bake. Get your oven preheated to 375. Okay, right on. That has been, about 10 minutes or so. So then just take your meat and vegetables and all that stuff you've been working on there. And toss that in your pie crust. And then gently just kind of pat it down like this. Kind of get it nice, you know. Kind of want to get it sealed up, basically, is what you're doing. Try and make sure there's no like air pockets, that kind of stuff. So it's kind of pat it down a little bit like that. Oh yeah, look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Oh man, it smells great too, guys. Okay, cool. Right on. Now, if you had a paintbrush, that would be awesome. But you know what? I don't have one. Okay, so get your egg mixture there. And then just kind of what you want to try and do here is get like around the side of the crust. So I'll show you what I'm going to do here. I'm just kind of try and put it down there, right? Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, so you kind of want to try and paint it in. But hey, man, you know, this will work. I guarantee it. Now, grab your other piece of your pie crust, plop that on top. Show you a little trick. What you want to do is just kind of press the sides down, right? So here's the little trick. Grab yourself a fork and just press it down on the sides. And then just grab the rest of that egg. Boom. Toss it over top. Right then, grab yourself a, you know, a baking sheet. I should have thought about this earlier, but anyhow, and then just pop that on there. Okay. Okay, not letting anything go to waste here. I'm not gonna eat this, guys. Dog is gonna love it. Oh, hey, and get yourself a knife and just cut little slits in the, you know, in the crust before you throw it in. Let the steam out. Okay, so pop that in 375 for 45 minutes, and yeah. Oh yeah, look at that, it's bubbling, it's looking good. So that's been about 3 minutes. So I'm gonna give it another minute or two and then pull it out. And then, yeah, we're gonna chow down. Alright guys, right on. Well, there you have it. Tourtiere. Or, as we like to call it, meat pie. Alright. Well, gonna let it, you know, kind of cool down because it's probably a little thermonuclear right now. So give it, probably about 5-10 minutes and then dig in. Alright, time for the moment of truth, folks. Oh yeah, this is looking delish. Okay, right on, look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. Now time for the edibility factor. It's good, guy. You might want to grab yourself some ketchup. Don't really need it, but yeah. So hey man, there you go. Tourtiere, I think that's how they pronounce it. I don't know. I'm not French, but anyhow. That is your classic Quebec meat pie, man. That's what it is. It's a meat pie, pretty much, but it's kind of traditional. So, man, really good, man. You guys should give this a try. Hot. Give it a little bit, like, give it at least 5-10 minutes before you take a dig in on this. Or, man, real good. Right on. Thanks for dropping back and checking that out here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video here. Give it a try, man. It's damn tasty here. Okay, man, you know, once, twice, 3 times a week here. Fridays, Saturdays, and Thursdays. I don't know, man. So be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell here, and you'll never miss it. Okay, cool. Right on. Well, you guys keep calm, be cool. Until next time.